Good morning traders, David here from Daily Market Analysis. It is 6:48 GMT on the 23rd of November. Let's get straight into it. We're looking at Brent Oil on the 4-hour chart in front of us here. You will see that we still, if I scrunch it up a little, we're still in that bearish AB swing. We were hoping yesterday that price would test the candlestick formation before a rally. Looks like we're only getting that now. You can see we've got a bit of a swing high there, so we might find that price does come down a little and then rally on up, but we're still in a bearish AB swing. Haven't even reached the 5-0 yet, so nothing else to report on the 4-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we've got some housekeeping to do here. You can see yesterday we were waiting for the B high to form. I can move that B to that position over there, and I can now draw our fibs over there. Let me remove that line. Let me remove that line. That's the previous A line. Let me just remove that quickly. So there's our new AB swing. You can actually see that's a B high swing there. Let's draw the fibs, and you can see there that we've got the start of a bullish reversal pattern there. There's our left shoulder, there's our center, and you can see this is where we're at right now. So what we're looking for now, we're looking for price to pull back into the fib area and then to rally. If we do rally from current levels, then we'll have a new AB swing in play, and that would then confirm the inverse head and shoulders. So then we'll be making higher highs and higher lows. Ideally, we'd want price to come down to a lower level over here and give us a bullish candlestick formation. If we do reach that level at the bottom, then we can go down to the 5-minute chart and we can look for the bullish candlestick formation followed by a test of that bullish candlestick formation, and then we will enter a long trade setup. So we won't even be going down to the 5-minute chart now because there's no reason to actually go down. We need price at a fib level on the 1-hour chart. Okay. So let me just go to the daily quickly. You can see we did mention 2 days ago that we have a nice bullish candlestick formation here. Like I said, we were hoping for a test. We didn't get that test yet. We might possibly be getting that test today or tomorrow, we'll see, like we just mentioned on the 1-hour chart now. But you can see that because price bounced at that A, we could expect price to rally on higher. We remain bullish on this daily chart until this A low gets broken, okay, at 82.44. If that A low gets broken, then we've got resumption of the downtrend, but for now we don't have that. Okay, let's look at crude oil 4-hour chart. Scrunch this up again quickly. You can see here, if I scrunch it up just a little more, that we're still in the same AB swing. AB, B failure, price ran right down to the A low. So again here, we're looking for a test of this low followed by a rally. We don't have that yet. I can remove this. This is what we were hoping for. We're still looking to see if price will just blip down a little, test that candlestick formation, and then rally on up. Okay. On the 1-hour chart, got some housekeeping to do here as well. We've got a B high there. You can clearly see that we've got a B high in place over there. There's our B high. Here's our A low. You can see we took out the last resistance there. Actually, the start of also an inverse head and shoulders pattern over here. There's our center, and you can see we took out this A resistance high. So if we pull our fibs, our Fibonacci tool on there, A to B, you can see again here also we would ideally like price to come down to a lower level, somewhere around the 618 or the 786, and then give us a bullish candlestick formation to go long. We will then step down to the 5-minute chart. Once price is in this area around here, we'll step down to a 5-minute chart. We will then look for a bullish candlestick formation followed by a test of that bullish candlestick formation, and that will give us a long entry. And based on the 4-hour chart, we are looking for price to rally up to higher levels. Okay, our area of resistance will be on the way up. Our area of resistance will be largely, we're looking for resistance up at 86.70 and then 89.80. Those are the areas of resistance that we can expect. So for those that take long-term traders, swing trading guys, we can, if we do enter on that 1-hour chart, we can hold till we head up higher. So that is the 1-hour chart, and that is the 4-hour chart on crude that we are done with there. Let us look at the euro dollar daily. We pointed out a few days ago that we're in an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. We've got our most recent A low and B high, and you can see price has pulled down a little. Ideally, once again here, we'd like price to come down to the 618 area. That's what we most likely are hoping for, overcoming days and overcoming sessions. If we step down to the 4-hour chart, we've got the same AB swing in play there. So we don't have any change between the 4-hour and the daily. We're in the same swing, and the reason for that is because there was our last A high, okay, on the 4-hour chart. So we only took that A high out at this point here, hence this becomes our A low, and this here becomes our B high. So we're also looking for price to rally up and then to carry on falling down, and that can be easier seen on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, if I just back up a little here, you will see that there's our most recent A high and there's our B low. We've already started the reversal process here. You can see price took out, if I draw a line there, you can see price took out that A support low already there, okay, starting the reversal process. So what we're looking for here is we've got that already, and we're looking for price to rally up, okay, and then we're looking for price to fall down. Okay, that's what we are looking for on this time frame, and like I said, that will coincide with the daily, because we're looking for price to fall on the daily. So we're looking for a pullback on the daily, and a pullback on the daily will mean that we need to have a reversal on the lower time frame first. So you can see when we draw fibs, you can see here that we came just midway between the 50 and the 6 and the 382. We'd like price to rally up in the region of the 618, maybe even 786. Once we get to that level of interest, we will then once again step down to a 5-minute chart, and we'll look for an entry based on the fact that we're at a fib area on the 1-hour chart. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin as our next one. 4-hour chart on the Bitcoin. You will see yesterday we said that the B low needs to hold. Okay, there's our most recent A high, there's our B low. We're in a bearish AB swing on the 4-hour chart. We said that this B low needs to hold in order for price to move up to the 50 level. Okay, let me change that properties there quickly. So we said, make it a bit darker. So we said that we're needing that low to hold. You can see we've got a nice morning star formation here, be it over many candles. That's on the 4-hour chart. So we can expect price to rally to roughly 18,500 over coming sessions. If, however, price does turn around and takes out the B low, then that becomes our new A high. But we're looking for a rally over coming sessions. On the 1-hour chart, you will see that there was an entry yesterday. We said if we get a bullish candlestick formation followed by a test, you can see there was an entry, and there was an entry, and there was an entry over there. Nice bullish candlestick formation showing support. If I draw a small fib area over there, you will see we came just shy of the 786, but you can see all the support that we found at the 618. Okay, bullish, 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 and prices rallied up to 16,500 so far. So once again here, we can expect a bit of a pullback. Okay, and then we're looking for price. Remember, price doesn't go up in one straight line. It moves in waves. So we can expect waves till we get to our target level at 18,500. And that's where we are at with Bitcoin. So for those that took that analysis yesterday and entered long, you guys are in the money. For now, on crude and Brent, we will be waiting for entries, and up until then, we will be doing nothing. We'll be waiting for the setups to present themselves. Once they present themselves, we'll step down to the lower time frames, and we will then look for candlestick formations, and we will enter based upon that. Guys, if there's no trades, we don't trade. We trade what we see. That's all we do. We look at the actual chart and we trade what we see. You guys will notice that I don't look at any announcements of any sort. The reasoning there is the candles that we are looking at, that's live prices. That's what traders are thinking at that very, very point in time. So whether there's an announcement, whether there was an announcement here or an announcement there, it's immaterial. The point is that this was the reaction of traders at that very point in time. So that tells me exactly what's happening in the market, and I trade based on that technical analysis. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification so that you guys are alerted every day that I do send out my daily trading analysis. And yeah, thanks very much for the support, and I'll chat to you guys tomorrow morning, Thursday the 24th. Enjoy your trading day. Thanks. Bye bye.